Hello students, today we are going to learn our science lesson number 3, properties of natural resources. In previous lecture we learned about the different properties of water. Now let us study these properties in detail. Now first see the activity on page number 19. Take a plastic bottle more than half full of water. Mark the water level on the bottle. Keep this bottle upright in the freezer for making ice. Open the freezer after a couple of hours and observe. What do you will see? You will see that the water has changed into ice. Then we see the difference between the two heights. Which heights? That when we pour the plastic bottle with water, that height we mark, and after when it freezes, then if we see the difference between that two heights, that water height is increased after the freezing. This means height of water, if height of water is considered 10 centimeter, then after freezing we see that increase of height of water, it is 10.9 centimeter. This means that height of the water increase by 9% of its original height after freezing. This means original volume of water has increased. Now see the second activity. Take a bucket of water, drop many different kinds of articles in it. Make separate list of the articles which sink in the water and those that float on it. Observe the figure 3.7, that those particles are floating on water and those particles are sink in water. Now see the articles like plastic scale, rubber, pencil, sharpener floats on water, and the articles which float on water are lighter than water. That's why they are float on water. And the articles which sink in water are heavier than the water. That's why they sink in the water. The articles which float and sink in water are related to the density of the substances. Now see the third activity. Take some water in a pot and add a few pieces of ice to it. What do you observe? You will see that, see the figure 3.7, density of water, that ice floats on water. Why does this happen? Ice is lighter than the water. When water freezes to form ice, and it becomes lighter than the original liquids, means water. When water freezes, when it transforms into solid state, its volume increases. Means when water freezes, its volume increase and it is converted into solid form, that is ice cubes. So the density of ice is less than that of water. That is why the ice floats on water. And the above activity, that those things which are float on water, that things density also less than water. That's why that things are float on water. Now see the density of water. The space occupied by a substance is its volume. The space occupied by a substance is its volume. The store of matter in a substance is its mass. And density is nothing but that mass upon volume. Density of a substance is the ratio of its mass and volume. So here that unit of density is gram per cubic centimeter. See the bracket on page number 20. Density is equal to mass upon volume, and mass is measured in gram and volume is measured in cubic centimeter. Hence that unit of density is which one? That gram per cubic centimeter. Hence that gram per cubic centimeter is the unit of density. Now see here, if the mass of 1 liter of water is 1 kilogram, then what is the density of water? Let us calculate it. Now what is the formula of that density of water? Density of water is equal to mass upon volume. Now see here, density of water is equal to mass. How many here given? That 1 kilogram. And that volume, how many given? 1 liter. Now first do the conversion of 1 kilogram to its gram. Now tell me, 1 kilogram is equal to how many gram? Correct, it is 1000 gram. Now write 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. And again do conversion of 1 liter into its 1 cubic centimeter. 1 liter is equal to how many cubic centimeter? That is 1000 cubic centimeter. Means you have to write 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc. It is short form of cubic centimeter. And then if we are doing that division of these two points, then we get that answer is the 1 gram cubic centimeter. Now see the here we get that 1 gram per cubic centimeter density of water. Thank you.